John was walking through the park on a sunny afternoon when he noticed Mike sitting on a bench, breathing heavily, one hand clutching his chest. John quickly walked over. "Hey, are you okay?" he asked. I don't feel right," Mike whispered, his face pale. John stayed calm. "All right, Mike, I'm here with you. Don't move. I'm calling 911 right now." He pulled out his phone, gave the operator their exact location, and explained the situation. "Help is on the way," John said gently. He loosened Mike's shirt collar and helped him sit comfortably, leaning forward slightly. "Mike, are you allergic to aspirin?" "No, I'm not." John gave him one regular aspirin and told him to chew it slowly. Suddenly, Mike's eyes closed and he became unresponsive. John checked for breathing. There was none. He laid Mike flat on the ground and started CPR, pushing hard and fast in the center of the chest, about twice per second. A bystander brought over an AED. John followed the voice prompts: attach pads, stand clear, and deliver the shock when told. Within minutes, the ambulance arrived. Mike was breathing again. Later, the paramedic told John, "You saved his life." John smiled, looked at Mike and said, "We all have the power to help. We just need to act."